Discover how BMC HelixGPT empowers customer support teams to resolve issues faster, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, see how Alex helped his customer resolve an issue with uploading an attachment. Alex is part of the customer support team. A notification popped up on his laptop that a customer could not upload an attachment. Alex asked if HelixGPT could help resolve this case. HelixGPT suggested checking the file extension and size of the attachment and confirming if any security settings might be blocking the upload. Along with the analysis, Alex also received references to related knowledge articles. For more information about how to use HelixGPT to resolve complex issues quickly, improve customer satisfaction, and reduce resolution time, visit docs.bmc.com.